guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. Today we're gonna do some food photography, and in order to do some food photography, we're first gonna bake some chocolate chip cookies, and then we're gonna take very nice and beautiful pictures of them, and then I'm gonna eat. So I'm going to do this today with my friend Kars, and he's just checking for some ingredients. We checked our cabinets for some ingredients. Okay, we got most of the ingredients. We just need to go to the supermarket for chocolate, and yeah, we need to get some food for tonight as well. So we just got back from doing groceries, so now we're gonna make the cookies. We just finished baking the cookies, and now I'm gonna show you the setup that we have. I put 3 cookies on top of each other on a wooden plate, and I sprinkled some chocolates and some flour on there as well. I added some props which I used during or after the baking process. Added some director. I used natural lighting for the best lighting conditions. So I had a great time with my friend. I got 2 pictures that I was kind of happy with, and I started editing. And this is the first picture. It's a top-down shot that shows the cookies in a jar. Then the second picture that I got, I really liked, except for the part that you could kind of like see the back side of the fridge. So in Photoshop I tried to take it out, and it worked pretty nicely, I think. I like how the cookies in front are really sharp, and then in the jar there's kind of like this blurriness. So I'm really glad with this shot, but I had to edit it a bit first so that would become a better shot. Yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe down below. Oh, wait, there. Subscribe down below. I'll see you in the next one.